one of the biggest keys is making sure the wood floor and the subfloor are within, 2 percentage points.
We're back again with Ross Reir and Bob Wood at their store Completely Floored in Medford, Oregon, as they share with us the top reasons why wood floorboards crown. Stick around to learn how you can save yourself time, money, and frustration by preventing this disaster from happening to you.
It usually has to do with relative humidity. Wider plank floors, anything 4 inches or wider, they want you to do a glue assist. So not only is the floor nailed down, but it's glued down as well. So if you acclimate it right and you install it the way it's supposed to be installed with a glue assist underneath it, that should minimize that floor doing that. It'll also minimize the gaps at the floor when you go from wet seasons to dry seasons, hot to cold. Wide plank floors really want to expand and contract and move around, also cup like that. Well, it's usually because it's not installed right, they're doing that.
One of the biggest keys is making sure the wood floor and the subfloor are within, 2 percentage points of one another. Of course, we don't want it to be 20% and 18%. We want it to get down, into the single digits, but we don't want it to be like the hardwood floor to be 12% and the subfloor to be 6%. We need to get that floor acclimated down to within a couple of percentage points within one another, so that it's good to go.
So all of our products are delivered prior to installation, so we deliver those things out there. Wood floors, for most of them say 72 hours that it needs to be there, but we'll get them there a week before they need to be installed. HVAC system is a must. It's got to be on. Things will not acclimate without the HVAC system going, which makes it hard on new builds because the HVAC system won't warranty their system if it's turned on early. And then the wood floor people won't warranty the floor if the HVAC system's not on. So it's constantly a battle with us between the HVAC people and getting that floor acclimated. HVAC doesn't want to turn their system on until everything is done, all the trades are out, because they don't want a bunch of dust being sucked through their system, which we understand, but we can't get a floor acclimated without the HVAC system on. So it's interesting.
It's got to be a climate-controlled environment.
Yep. It does.
We hope you enjoyed learning about why wood floors crown and how you can prevent this flooring disaster. To keep learning with WAGNER meters, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications for future videos.